It is Tuesday, January 9th, 2024, and I am had to check to see what day of the week it was. Well, actually, I guess I didn't really, but I moved my mouse over that in the bottom of the screen, and the first letter I saw was a T, and it's like, oh, it must be Thursday. Yeah. Well, great start here. Well, today was extremely snowy, like blizzardish. Uh, so I started off the day working from home. I thought about that ahead of time and brought my laptop from work back home. And then after lunch, I was like, yeah, should go in probably because we had a team meeting in the afternoon, and it's like, yeah, okay. So, uh, so my brother cleared off the driveway um, with the snowblower in the morning, and then a couple hours later I did too, and there was a few more inches of snow, and then I got all that done, and then I left, and it was like still like very not good on the roads and everything, but it getting to work that it wasn't actually like dangerous, but it wasn't very fun. Um, and then my new boss was like, "Oh, is anybody actually here?" And it's like, "I am." Like, okay, well, since the two of us are the only ones that are here, we'll just do the team meeting online. And it's like, okay. So then I drove like coasting speed on my car all the way home. Uh, yeah, it was not fun. So, um, and it was still snowing. Uh, I don't know if it still is now because it's dark outside, but it was until recently. Uh, so I don't know about driving tomorrow either. But um, and then yeah, I also had to get out a video today, so uh, I've already had supper and I've watched a video and gotten it out, even though it's like a few hours late now. But whatever, probably doesn't matter that much. Uh, so yeah, so then yeah, I went home after that and worked for a couple more hours at home. So tomorrow I might also be working from home. We'll see. I'll make that decision when it comes down to it. Anyway, I don't know. I don't. I don't really feel like anything else really went on. So the snow that has been falling for like almost 24 hours is definitely the big deal. So that was the highlight of today, or whatever you'd like to call it, low light. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Had soup for lunch, had soup for supper. Good soup. Anyway, I guess that's it.